Hey, what is going on, guys? We're back off another video. Today we are going to be playing some Roblox, Age of Heroes. This is a really fun game. I highly recommend it. It's a free game. Technically, you just have a bunch of superpowers and you can just do a lot of cool stuff like eat, fly. I have different abilities. You can also super speed this. Woo! And I also have telekinesis, but we need to go do something for that. But this reminds me of the scene from Man of Steel, you know what I'm talking about? The music, right? You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'll show you guys the clip of the Man of Steel scene. This scene right here, guys. This scene right here. It's the music, too. See what I mean? See, that was kind of like the scene, like this scene, like right here. Like he flies up and like, woo! Also the music. I think the music is from the movie. So the little bar right here, it's how much like energy you have. So when it runs out, watch happens when you run out. So just flying in the air, you know, on a normal day. Watch. See, it's getting red. And then you just run out of energy. I made it. It refills pretty quickly. I need to find someone. I want to be a hero, not a freaking villain. Where can I find someone? This is the part of the music I was talking about. Woo! I kind of make cracks in the ground. But this game's so freaking addictive, I swear. Look at this. I'm coming for you, bro. Whoa, I just ran out of over. I just got chucking these. Oh, he killed me. He just murdered me. Jeez. I don't want to. I got this ugly. Come here, buddy. See ya, bro. See you, mosquito. So I'll show you what telekinesis does. I need to find someone. So this blue thing is the safe zone. Like, you can't get protected. You can't get beat up. Is that person down here? Oh, sub, perfect. I don't want to be a sub. I want to be a hero. So you grab on him. Shoot, I ran out of fuel. Hold on, I need to refill it. So I can show the full force of what it does. No, don't you waste it. So you hold on, you can beat him up, do whatever you need to, and then you throw him, and then he goes flying. I'm a hero now because I killed him. Back to my energy! I need to make him to the train tracks! Ah! Also in the safe zone. I'm gonna reset. I love how when you reset, it just turns into like a ragdoll. It's just so clean. I don't know why. It's not so satisfying. Just ragdolls. Ooh! Oh, that's grown. That's gonna leave some marks. Okay, this is the real player. Take him and throw him. Yeet! Backpolation. I mean, he can go farther than that, but. He thinks he's so fast. Oh, he's gone. Okay. I'm gonna take him out of the water. Come here, buddy boy. I'll take care of you. cursing me out. See ya. Bye, buddy. Hope you had a good time. Oh. Ah. I like how when you take off, you leave a mark on the ground. So you see that mark is when I landed. Watch. See how I made a mark? So watch. Watch once the music hits up. See ya, buddies. And you can upgrade your abilities or... So I have 0 skill points, so I can't upgrade anything. But I've upgraded this a lot of times. So my speed is 120. It's not that high. I really don't upgrade my strength. I don't know why. I need to start doing that more. Where are the shots coming from? Oh, right there. You hurt that guy, you die. Nah, come here. Sent him flying. I held him towards the victim. Oh, he's running for me. Come here. Yeet. Oh, don't worry, dude. You're safe. I'm the hero. Oh, you want a back talk, okay? You want a back talk? Come on. Get out of here. Yeet. We don't need you. What kind of air am I? Can I make it to the building without running out of fuel? Ah! Okay, well, anyways, that's my video of playing Age of Heroes. No, oh, I'm not having any, guys. I'm gonna do. Before I end the video, I gotta end it off with a banger. I'm falling. I don't have my strength, my flight. Oh, shoot, I screwed it up. Oh no, I'm gonna die! Ah! About to die. Oh. Then I go off. I'm protected. Oh no, that's not fuel. Can't run out of fuel before I get up here. Oh. Police. Saviors. Hello. How we doing? Why are you hiding from me? Oh my. I'm out. You guys are a threat to humanity. Oh wow. What's he doing now? So is that level 29 a menace? So what's up, Mr. AFK? Hot noob. Oh, he blew me away. No, he's hunting innocent people. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna fly and punch him. He can't catch me. Come on. This guy got laser eyes and everything. I'm gonna throw him so far. And oh, my mouse says he's going. Ooh. Sucker. Okay, anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like. And yeah. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Peace.